everyone, it's Lori with Lori Nails, and today I'm going to be swatching the brand new Madam Glam Made in Color collection. It is a collection of 6 brand new glitters, and I'm going to be swatching them out for you. So let's get started. So the first color I'm going to be using is called Burlesque, and it is a really pretty red glitter. If you can see that, let's get it on a nail. Okay. Wow, this is gorgeous. It almost reminds me of a cherry kind of color. I'm just gonna clean up the little edge there. If you can see this, it's really, really pretty. And I'm going to set these one by one into my lamp and cure them all at once. So the red was Burlesque, and it looks like it's got blue and red, some orange, even maybe a little bit of pink in there. So it's got multicolored glitters in it. If you can see that, the lighting, I'm gonna pull my light down just a little bit. Okay, the next one I'm gonna be swatching is called No H8. And this is like a cobalt blue. It's really pretty. This is really pretty. You can see that. It's like a cobalt blue, but it has like turquoise in it. Turquoise glitter flecks. Let's get this on and see what it looks like. I love this. It's so pretty. Look at that. Okay. So the next one is a green. This one is called Roar. All right, this one looks like it's got some gold in it. It's got green glitter in it. It looks like it might have just a touch of orange as well. Wow, this is a really, really great summer green because it's like bright, but if you can see that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my light. The next one is called The Bitch Is Back. This is a bright orange, and I believe that all of these have multicolored glitters in them, and it's really, really fine glitter, so it's gonna sparkle like crazy. Wow, this is really nice. This has definitely has some gold glitter in it, and it looks like light orange glitter. So pretty. And the next one is going to be called Slay Every Day. So that's just like us, guys. Slaying every day. So this is a yellow, kind of a yellow gold. But well, yeah, it's definitely yellow. This one has, it looks like some green in it. Some definitely yellow. I'd say a majority of the colors in this glitter are green and yellow, but the green is very, very subtle. Okay, and then the last color is called Bend and Snap. I love that name. How fun is that? This is a purple. So this purple has, it's got some blue in it. Looks like maybe even a little bit of fuchsia, kind of pink purple. It has maybe some slight specks of blue. This is really gorgeous. I wish that the camera would show you how beautiful these are, but they're really, really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna cure these. Then I'm gonna do a second coat on them, and then I will be back to show you the final result. Okay, I'm back. So I finished swatching the polishes, and do these sparkle? Look at that. I'm gonna get as close as I can and stay in focus. I am in love with these. That blue, oh my gosh, the camera doesn't even do it justice. And that red is the perfect summer red. I'm trying to get close so you guys can see all the different colors that are in these polishes. They're so beautiful, you guys. Look at that. And that purple. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love this collection, you guys. If you go on to Madam Glam and order, you can use my code. It's LoriNails, LORINAILS, and you can get a discount. So go on and order these. You won't be disappointed. You guys will absolutely love these. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.